In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image in a table in Notion. Notion is a fantastic tool that allows you to organize everything in your life, and mastering putting images into tables can truly enhance your productivity by creating more visually appealing pages. Let's start by opening Notion on your device. Once you're in your workspace, navigate to the page where you want to add a table. If you haven't created a page yet, simply click on New Page. Alternatively, you can select an existing page where you want to integrate this new table. On your page, get ready to insert the table by typing a / followed by table. This action will present you with two options, table inline or table full page. For this tutorial, we're going to choose table inline, which allows your table to coexist with other elements on your page, ensuring a seamless and integrated look. Now, you have a table with default columns ready for your customization. Pick the column where you want your images to reside. It could be any column in your table, so choose according to where you feel it fits best with your layout. After you've selected your column, click on the column heading and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Property Type and change it to Files Media. This adjustment enables the column to accept images or other media types, ensuring that you can display your content neatly. With the column ready to accept images, click on a cell within that column. You'll notice a small option to Upload Image. Click on it and a window will pop up allowing you to either upload an image from your device or link an image from a URL. If you upload from your device, navigate to the image you want to add, select it, and click Open or choose to upload. If you're linking an image, paste the image's URL once prompted. Both methods will display the image neatly within the table cell. You can repeat this process to add more images to additional cells or even in different columns if you so wish. It's a great way to showcase visuals that accompany specific information in the table, making it more dynamic and informative. Don't be afraid to experiment with different configurations and layouts until you find what works best for your data presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add images to your tables in Notion, enhancing not only the visual appeal of your workspace but also its functionality. Feel free to use this knowledge to make your content far more engaging and visually striking. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stick around for more tips and tricks to make the most out of Notion.